Hello students and parents. Imagine your child learning from professors associated with Pune University, interacting with former ISRO professionals, and getting an opportunity to earn exciting rewards, like a free educational visit to ISRO, free visit to Nehru Science Center, Mumbai, free robotics kits, free astronomy kits, and free entry into our advanced science workshop. That's exactly what Future Science Champ offers. Future Science Champ is a 5-day online STEM workshop organized in collaboration with the Research Park Foundation, Pune University. Our mission is to help students explore science beyond textbooks through practical learning, real-world applications, and exciting activities. The workshop is open to students from grades 6 to 12. Whether you're interested in space, astronomy, robotics, artificial intelligence, or science, this program is designed for you. No prior experience is required, just curiosity and a passion to learn. Students will explore exciting topics including space science, astronomy, robotics, artificial intelligence, science filmmaking, scientific experiments, engineering concepts, innovation and design thinking. Every session is interactive, activity-based, and designed to make science fun and easy to understand. One of the biggest highlights of this workshop is the opportunity to learn from professors associated with Pune University and hear inspiring experiences from former ISRO professionals, giving students valuable exposure to India's scientific and space ecosystem. After successfully completing the workshop, students who perform well in the assessment and actively participate may become eligible for free educational visit to ISRO, free visit to Nehru Science Center, Mumbai, free robotics kits, free astronomy kits, and free entry into our advanced science workshop. Selection is based on participation, performance, and overall engagement during the program. Along with scientific knowledge, students develop creativity, confidence, communication, logical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Participants also receive a certificate from the Research Park Foundation, Pune University. If your child loves science, enjoys asking questions, dreams of exploring space, or wants to build future-ready skills, then Future Science Champ is the perfect place to begin. Register today and take the first step toward becoming tomorrow's scientist, engineer, or innovator. We look forward to welcoming you to Future Science Champ.